Western engine. He always shunted cars in their proper siding, and even took them for long journeys, even though they were troublesome. While while he while he was ready for the big engines, Edward came up and said, "Hey," said Edward, "Sir Topham Hatt has news for you. You'll be pulling the new goods," he said.